The video shot in this issue is suitable for the installation of foot pads on Bambu Lab and 2020 profile or 3030 profile machines. Bambu Lab X1 series and P1 series can use this foot pad. Let's take a look at Bambu Lab's foot pad installation first. Remove the original foot pads and insert the new ones. Be careful to make sure the plug is in place. The end of the printout with the gasket should face the machine. After installation, you can shake the machine to check whether the foot pads are in place. Next, let's take a look at how to install it on the profile. Note that this foot pad can only be installed on machines with 2020 profiles or 3030 bottom profiles. First, fix the screws and nuts. The installation direction of the foot pads here is exactly opposite to that of Bambu Lab. Then insert the nut into the profile groove and lock it. After the installation is completed, you will find that the machine is more stable and the vibration with the desktop is smaller.